Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Megan. Thanks so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a book unboxing. I have this big mystery box of Usborne books, and long story short is that I was part of a book party for one of my friends, and as part of like the party, if you purchased a certain dollar amount of books, then you were put into a like a drawing for an Easter basket of books, and I actually won something. I never win anything like giveaway wise, so I finally won something, and it's this gigantic box of books. So I'm gonna unbox it for you and see what I got. I have absolutely no idea what's in here, so let's dive in. Okay, the first thing right on top is a thank you card from the book rep, which is very nice. It's a cute little Usborne thank you note. So the only thing that I do know about this is that it will have some things that are appropriate for my daughter now, who is going to be 3 in a month, and it has some things that will be more appropriate for her as she gets older. And I can't remember exactly how many books are going to be in here, so there are quite a few though. Okay, so right on top here there is Let's Go Shopping. Oh, sorry about the glare. Let's Go Shopping bookstore. Oh, this one's super cute because there's foxes on it. Let's Go Shopping supermarket. This is the A to Z school joke book. Oh, this one's super cute and appropriate for Easter. It is a little peek through book called Are You There, Little Bunny? Super appropriate. I'm going to definitely be sticking this one in her Easter basket. And our favorite type of Usborne book is That's Not My Bunny, which is kind of like a touch and feel book. His tail is super fluffy. Also in here is Tractor Tractor, which is a lift the flap book. Oh, awesome. This is a book and 3 jigsaw puzzles, and it looks like it's woodland themed, which is perfect for my daughter. If you're new to my channel, her middle name is Fox because we are absolutely obsessed with foxes. This is a Usborne Young Beginners book about bugs. This one will definitely be put up for later. Here's another one about bugs. It's 100 bugs to fold and fly. Here is a sticker book, it looks like. It is bunnies, which I kind of want to look inside this one. Oh, I wonder if it's reusable stickers, because it looks like there's places to put the bunnies, like little scenes, and then there are bunny stickers. That one may be getting put up because those stickers will be everywhere. There's also little stickers, rainbows, super cute. And a book about doing your best. And a book about holidays and celebrations. And this is a really cool book because it's a shine the light book, which means you use a flashlight and there's hidden surprises. So super awesome. And I did not count the books. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I guess this counts as 13. It's a book and puzzles. So super awesome. This is like quite the stack of books. So awesome. So thankful that I won this because I feel like I have some things to put in her basket for Easter, and then I also have some things to like put away that we will definitely get some use out of. So anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.